This is gonna blow your mind. What if blockchain could finally meet real-world regulations head-on? Mantra is doing just that, and it's all about security, scale, simplicity. Let's break it down. Mantra isn't just another blockchain, it's built from the ground up for institutions developers who demand more. Powered by the Cosmos SDK, Mantra is fully IBC compatible and supports CosmWasm, making it lightning fast and endlessly adaptable. With a sovereign proof-of-stake validator set, your data isn't just on-chain, it's protected by a fortress of security. Scalability, Mantra can handle up to 10,000 transactions per second, so bottlenecks are a thing of the past. But here's where it stands out. Mantra offers permissionless infrastructure for permissioned applications. That means you get the best of both worlds. Open innovation with real-world regulatory compliance. You'll find built-in modules, SDKs, APIs, ready to help you create trade-managed compliant real-world assets. And onboarding? It's smoother than ever, designed so non-native users and entire institutions can step into Web3 with confidence. Ready for a blockchain that works with the real world, not against it? Mantra, where security meets scalability and compliance is coded in.